Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a black 2008 Chevrolet Corvette base, stock number A7162. Starting up front, you can see there's a nice sporty appearance. You have factory fog lights. I do not see any noticeable scratches. You do have chrome rims here that is wrapped in a Yokohama tire. Inside there is a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. You do have seating for two here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you this Corvette today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have buttons for memory seating as well as your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. Taking a step inside, here back behind the steering wheel might be a little hard to see, but you do have your cruise control. On the steering wheel itself, you've got audio controls. On the driver's side visor here, there are home link garage door opener buttons. Coming to the rear view mirror, there is a compass display, and this is equipped with OnStar. Coming down underneath of that, you have your audio system here. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you've also got an auxiliary port. Coming down underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. You've got buttons here for heated front row seating. Coming down a little bit further, this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 6.2-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 25 miles per gallon. Alright, and just taking a step out here, you do have that soft top on the convertible. As you can see, that is in fantastic shape. If you'd like to get more information on this Corvette or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.